Attention, affiliate marketers. Are you sick and tired of getting paid a tiny percentage of the commissions for all the hard work that you're doing promoting your opportunities? How about the problem of waiting until you hit the minimum withdrawal limit before you can actually get access to your funds? And how about those withdrawal fees that are cutting into the little commissions that you're making? What if I could show you a better way? What if we could cut out the middleman directly and get paid 100% commissions paid instantly and directly to you? Well, if that sounds great, then you're in the right place at the right time. But who am I? I am the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, and I'm going to share with you in this video the digital growth community passive day blueprint and share with you how you actually get paid 100% commissions without having to create any products, without having any technical skills, and without having to deal with support, right? So let me go ahead and actually share my screen and walk you through exactly what you get on this from this package. So here I am logged into my back office, and you can see here there are different packages that you can choose. You just need to get in where you fit in, right? So I've created videos on this here. I'll have the link below to the playlist. Now today we're going to focus on this digital growth community. So I'm going to go ahead and view the product and go through exactly what it is that you get. So this is just getting started tab here, and this is how you navigate this platform where the course is hosted, and then where you get introduced to resale rights. So what are resale rights? The way the resale rights work is you buy the program once. You buy whatever package that you choose. You're actually able to earn sales from that package and below. So for instance, if I go back to view my products, right? If you were to actually buy this program, the one we're going through now, then you can actually earn from here, from this program. You can earn when your referrals buy this program and this program. So you actually essentially have multiple income streams, okay? So no, the program is already done for you, created by a top figure earner who went from 0 to 1.6 million in 20 months. So you don't have to worry about putting the program together. It's there, done for you. And not only can you access it from the browser like I am right now, you can actually get apps on your phone and actually get access to the training program on your phone. But this is no ordinary training program. It's actually a live interactive training and coaching and mentorship program. And I'll talk to you about that. So let me go ahead and keep going through here, right? So resale rights, as I was saying, you buy the program once, and you then get the rights to resell the program as it is over and over again. Okay, so this is a brilliant business model because you don't have to have technical skills, you don't have to create the product. It's there for you. As long as you buy it, you can earn from that level and below. Okay, so let me go ahead and keep sharing. And then here we have training on winning mindset, because 80% is mindset, 20% is skill set. And then here we have training on the 2-hour workday. Now, with this program, our founder Michelle went from 0 to 1.6 million dollars in 20 months. And what she did is she put together a step-by-step training program, right? She put together a step-by-step blueprint of how she did it. How much, let me ask you this, how much would you pay Michelle to actually sit by you and walk you through step-by-step how she created her business, right? So this is what you get access to, the step-by-step blueprint. But wait, there's more, because you actually get live interactive coaching and mentorship. So that section there, she actually teaches us about the 2-hour work week, where we focus in for 2 hours every day on income producing activities. We have 24 hours in a day, right? 22 to do it all, to get on with life. But if you're going to be part of this program, you have to commit to at least 2 hours every single day on income producing activities that are going to help you generate leads, and those leads will turn into sales. So here I am creating this video. I'm creating a piece of content that's part of my daily mode of operation. Okay, and she teaches how we should have non-negotiables, things that come, whatever happens, you actually make sure that you get those activities done every single day. And the key to success is consistency. And then here on lesson 6 is profit to launch in 7 days, where she walks us step by step through how we can actually start to launch our business. As we're setting up this business, she gives us content and ideas of how to actually pre-launch. And by following that pre-launch training, I was able to generate my first commissions, even though I'm here in Malawi, in Southern Africa. Okay, and then the next bit here, she talks to you about how to automate your online business for time freedom. Right, this business will allow you to set up an automated marketing system, and like I did while I'm on holiday, I was able to set it up and start earning. And it's designed, and I'll show you the income proofs for you to actually work smart and work and earn while you're out and about doing different things, right? As long as you focus on those income producing activities. So here you can see we have done for you funnels. You just have to follow the instructions, copy and paste. If you can copy and paste, you can do it. You learn how to connect your domain, like partnerwithangela.com, how to get a professional email, how to connect that, how to set up your payment gateways, because you get paid 100% commissions, paid instantly and directly to you, how to connect your automated sales funnel system. All this here is done for you. So this section really, it's all about setting up your digital business. Okay, so once you set up your business, then we move on to creating your empire. Okay, you start creating your empire. You set up your social medias accounts, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. What we learn is attraction marketing, which learn how to build our email list, to put out information out there, content, and get people to put up their hand to say, hey, I want to learn more. You learn how to follow up with those people. Okay, so that part of the training is all in this section here. Right, so you learn to set up your accounts on these platforms. You start to learn to grow your following. Here you learn more about the master resale rights, the advantages and disadvantages of what we're doing. And then here we start learning about our ideal customer. Okay, because know this much, as a marketer, what you have is not for everybody. Okay, you have to know exactly who you're delivering your message to. At the beginning of this training, what did I say? I called you out, affiliate marketers, right? That's my target audience, people who are online earning a percentage of a commission. Would you rather earn a percentage, 20, 50, 80, or would you rather get all of it paid instantly and directly to you? Okay, so know your target audience. And then wrong tab. And then here learn the master the art of storytelling, learn how to build a strong brand identity, which is so important. And then you get step-by-step training on TikTok, how to post free ads on the internet, YouTube training, Pinterest training, real strategy, going live, right? So by the end of this here, you will have step-by-step instructions on how to actually start to build and grow your business, things that you need to do every day to generate those leads and sales. Okay, leads do turn into sales. You got to be coachable, you got to be teachable, and you got to be consistent in your income producing activities. So let me go ahead and share with you my income proof since I joined. So since I joined, I've been able to generate 119 leads, and I've been able to earn $1,200. Okay, and not only am I able to follow the training and get those kind of results, I'm actually going to share with you other people earning with this program. Jenna is my sponsor. On May the 15th, she crossed the $100,000 mark in 55 days. And the day before that, before she posted, she made $5,400. Okay. And then Ron, 6 hours ago, said $900 ding while standing at the checkout line in the grocery store. That $900 paid for his shopping straight away, right? For leads, $1,200 today. Gwendon, 3 hours ago. Today I'm so excited, $900 and my first upgrade, and ready to start. Dale, 2 hours ago, $900 ding. Got to upgrade to Legacy Builder. So they used that to operate. Rod, 2 hours ago, finally 11 days in on the 90-day challenge. First $900 dinger, 56 leads, and they're able to get $900 from that 56 leads, right? Mindset shifting. Stormy, 7 hours ago, $40,000 in 5 weeks, right? Yes, I'm over the moon, right? Let's see, 100 leads. Michelle, June 15, our newest six-figure earner. Congratulations, Christelle. 100,000 in 7.5 months. Wow, congratulations. She's in South Africa. So that's 1.84 million rand she's earned so far. Priceless, life-changing. Let me see. 13 hours ago, Tashnik, over 50,000 rands in 3 weeks, right? Absolutely grateful for that. Congratulations. First sale, Power of Automation, $100 after posting 3 ads, 3 days, Vindile. My win today. Today was my last day. What's this last day? Today was my last day at that factory. I took a leap and quit my factory job, and I'm going all in on my online business. I got a $900 ding. That's Jessica 1 day ago. Let's see, mind blown 6 hours ago. Mandy, 2,700 in day 3. What? My mind is blown. Congratulations. Happy Freedom Friday. Letitia, a day ago, $600 for an upgrade, changing lives. So this is page 1 of 432 pages of hundreds and hundreds of our team members sharing their income proof and testimonials with this program. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to click the link in the description to take our to actually learn more about our proven step-by-step blueprint. I've shown you how it's proven to work for me while I'm here on vacation in Malawi. I've shown you how it's proven to work for hundreds and hundreds of people in our community. Maybe you can be the next success story. Maybe you can use this to actually change your life. Go ahead and learn more by clicking the link below. I will send you an email. Respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is a right fit for you. And I am here to help you make an informed decision because I want to see you win, okay? The more we win, the more we all succeed. I have been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.